people. So today I've been on a spree of recording, making one YouTube video after the other. So today, I'd like to wrap up with this. It's called Yours Sincerely, Kanan Gill. This particular show that you can find on Netflix. Yeah, this guy's got a gift. Kanan Gill. I mean, I remember attending one live show of his, and he really connects with the audience. So that's it's adorable. But the only thing, while it happens, right, while I also make my YouTube videos, we tend to reveal a lot about our lives. So that is one thing that if he's speaking about a medical issue, maybe it's not true at all, but the human mind is such, we get fixated on that. So that is the only little slight drawback. But otherwise, I think among the current crop of stand-up artists, Kanan Gill is right up there, because the guy's got a gift, and he. It's like when you watch him on screen or on stage also, you feel like he's a friend talking to you. So I think that's a very special feeling. Like if a performer is able to make you feel like a friend, I think they are like it's a gift. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.